In this video, you will learn how to trade gold on Bitget. Log into your Bitget account, open the Bitget app or website and log in with your registered email or phone number, deposit into your account, add funds to your Bitget account, new deposit such as BTC or USD or another supported cryptocurrency you use for trading. Go to the spot trading section. From the homepage, tap or click on trade, then select spot trading to access the gold trading pairs available on Bitget. Search for the gold trading shares. In the search bar type XAU, USDT or any other block-backed token available to view its live price and chart. Place a buy or sell order. Choose whether you want to buy or sell your gold tokens. Enter the amount you wish to trade. Then select market or limit order depending on your preferences. Confirm your trade. Review the details of your transaction and confirm. Once processed, your gold tokens or USDT balance will update in your Bitget wallet. Now you know how to trade gold on Bitget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.